Okay, so today we're talking about the calculus power rule. So you have a derivative d dx of, we'll say, like x squared 3x, like this. Well, really, if we rewrote it, it'd be 3x squared, right? But what if we have, I'm trying to think of an example. Yeah, what if we have like 3x squared minus 2x, let's see, times 5x minus 4, or something like that, right? And you could multiply it out and do power rule, which in some cases will be easier, but we have a product rule, and so I'm going to show you that. I'm not really using this example today, I'm just going to go over theory, then I'll do a prac tomorrow. Will be a practice example, and then I'll do product, and then I'll try to shoot for the quotient rule, and then an example. So kind of that's what that be expecting that. Okay. So what is the product rule in letters? So I think the actual definition from the book looked something like this. So f of x, g, that is not a g, g of x, I'm sorry, equals f, and they wrote, so I'm just going to write it my way. So f of x, f prime of x times g of x plus f of x times g of x, if that makes sense. Okay, this looks confusing. I'm going to rewrite it one more time. This is how we were shown to write it in our calc class. So dy dx, the derivative of f times g, I'm using a big F and a big G, but you could use little ones if you want to, equals f prime g plus f g prime. So see how each term gets to be the derivative and the rest remain the same, okay? And so this holds out. This pattern is the same for when you have 3. So let's say we have f times g times h. Then to use the product rule, it's going to be f prime g h plus f g prime h plus f g and then h prime. And that's how you would solve that. And so that's really you really need to do for the quotient rule. So then when you have your f part, you have your g part. A good way to set it up is if you have your f, identify the f, identify f prime, identify g prime, and then also write down what you're doing so you can leave evidence of what your thought process is for doing what you're doing. Because when you show this, it shows that you knew that you were doing product rule. You know, and then I even lay out these sometimes, the parentheses, just so I know where to put. Okay, I'm putting f prime there, I'm putting g here, I'm putting f here, I'm putting g prime here, and that, just so you don't get lost or confused. I'll do an example tomorrow. Thanks for watching.